Hey guys, and welcome to the propagation area of the Grow Hub. Today I want to show you a little bit about the specially designed dibble hole that we have in the rooting sponges. It's a wide aperture hole at the top, which maximizes germination rates when you're germinating seed, because the seed as it cracks is exposed to light. Then narrowing into a smaller hole designed to seal around the cut end of your cuttings. So you get the best of both worlds with the plug. It's slightly deeper than other peat-based plugs in the market, which maximizes your rooting area, and it is specially designed to be used with our Rooted Rooting Gel, which is a non-hormone based aid for taking cuttings. Basically what you'll do is fill the hole till it just protrudes from the surface. Take your cutting, which in this instance is a chili, and firmly press it down. You'll feel the smaller hole at the bottom closing around the stem, and it's done. Pop it into a tray, cover the propagator, and off you go.